TotalBoat Gleam 2.0 is an easy-to-use marine varnish that contains premium tung oil and delivers maximum UV protection. This forgiving varnish creates a beautiful transparent amber finish on all types of interior and exterior wood. Before use, we recommend straining to minimize dust. This one-part marine varnish goes on easily, and thinning is not needed after the initial seal coat. Alternatively, you can quickly and easily seal your bare wood with TotalBoat Wood Sealer. To apply Gleam, brush on, roll in tip, or spray multiple thin coats for maximum protection. You can overcoat with Gleam in just 1 hour at 72 degrees Fahrenheit, building mini coats in a single day. Choose between a gloss or satin finish. For a smooth satin finish with some reflectivity, build coats of gloss and finish with satin. TotalBoat Gleam is available in pint, quart, and gallon sizes and in gloss and satin finishes.